dapat na talagang pahintuin itong mga pogo sa ating bansa dahil ito ang nabibigay daan sa mas marami pang kriminalidad, lalong-lalo na walang katahimikan na nangyayari sa ating bansa. At nananawagan din po ako sa ating mga kasamahan na suportahan itong pagban dahil hindi tatahimik ang ating bansang Pilipinas hanggat nandito sila dahil pumapasok sila, gumagawa ng hindi magaganda at lumalalim na yung kanilang galamay.
Mayroon po akong mga resolution, Madam Chair, sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan sa Tarlac, no? Mula noong 2021 pa lamang, nagkaroon po sila ng resolution denouncing the alleged conduct of online gambling and cybercrime operations sa Barangay Anupul sa Bamban, declaring anti-illegal gambling policy of the provincial government of Tarlac. And it was reiterated, Madam Chair, by another Sangguniang Panlalawigan resolution of 2024 reiterating the anti-gambling policy in 2021. So ang nakakabahala dito at nakausap ko rin po ang ating gobernador, Susan Yap, na doon lang po talaga sa Bamban nagkaroon ng POGO operations. No, dahil nga po, polisiya ng provincial government ang hindi po nila sinusuportan ang online gaming at gambling operations. So nabahalala po ako kasi po kay tulad din ni Senator Gatchalian, ako po ay member ng NPC, kapartido pala namin si Mayor Alice Goo. No? At gusto ko rin sanang malaman, Madam Chair, kung paano yung kanyang assent to power to local government. Kasi nakakabahala po ito. We can already see that she ran for office para po proteksyonan ang negosyo ng mga pogo sa Bamban. At siguro kailangan natin malaman yung naging history. Saya po, wala siya. Siguro if there will be another hearing again, Madam Chair, I suggest we invite also the former mayor na mukhang siya po ang naging susi kung paano nakapasok si Alice Goo bilang sa political scene ng Tarlac, lalo sa through Bamban. Nais ko lang pong malaman na yun nga po, na malaman ng pag-akyat sa kapangyarihan ni Mayor Alice Goo. Kaya nga po, hopefully we can invite the other persons, the former mayor who I understand siya po ang naging susi dahil po nag-last term ay itinulak si Alice Goo na tumakbo bilang mayor dahil tatakbo po siya. So siguro siya po siguro itong POGO operations really funded the campaign of both the former mayor and ito si Alice Goo. Kamakailan po, gaya na nabanggit, itiniwalag ng partido ng NPC si Mayor Goo sa pamamagitan ng petisyon na inihain ni Governor Susan Yap. Ang lalawigan ng Tarlac ay isang tahimik, malinis at progresibong probinsya sa pangunguna ng masipag nitong gobernador, ang aming pong kapartido. Ang illegal na POGO operation sa bayan ng Bamban ay nakakasira hindi lamang sa imaheng ito kundi pati na rin sa mapayapang pamumuhay ng mga mamamayan sa probinsya ng Tarlac. Ang operasyon ng mga POGO sa bansa ay mailantulad na rin natin sa agresibong presensya at kilos ng mga Chinese sa West Philippine Sea. The presence of the Chinese Coast Guard and militia in our seas and the operation of POGOs on our lands have only caused chaos and social disorder in the country. These are failed attempts to tamper with the Filipino courage and spirit, but undeniably have already adversely affected our communities and fellow citizens. The committee has uncovered and discovered not just the material facts and information to prove the involvement of Mayor Goo, but also the compelling and disturbing reasons that call for the government's policy shift on POGO operations. I believe that really we already have to hasten the phasing out of the POGO industry. Huwag na po natin hintayin na may mahala na naman na mayor o iba pang opisyal ng gobyerno na magiging protektor sa illegal na operasyong ito. Kaya nga po sana huli na po si Alice Goo na talagang kitang-kita mo, Madam Chair, na siya po ay pinatakbo upang pagtakpan o upang magsilbi sa interes ng POGO operations sa Bamban. Kita natin sa buong Tarlac, wala hong POGO operations except in the municipality of Bamban.
May ipa-flash po kaming ulit yung SIRV ni Guo Huaping at saka yung Board of Investments letter sa Bureau of Immigration dated 4th June 2024. Familiar po ba kayo sa mga dokumentong ito at pwede niyo po bang ipaliwanag yung konteksto ng mga dokumentong ito, Yusek?
Seferino Rodolfo and Director Ryan Ramos. We sent an invitation to Mayor Alice Goo, but she just sent a letter of regrets. And we invited, and then we have Mayor Jaime Capil of the municipality of Porac, province of Tarlac, together with Engineer Glenn Lansangan. We invited, Your Honor, Ms. Goo Jiang Shong, Sheila Goo, Wesley Goo. These are the relatives of Mayor Goo. But the lawyer of the Goo acknowledged our letter, but they just reply that, the lawyer replied that he is not representing the other members of the family. Then
The lawyer replied that he's not representing the members of the family?
Yes.
The other members?
Yes. But,
This is the lawyer of Alice Goo.
Yes.
So why is he even writing the committee about them? At ano po yung grounds ni Alice Goo for not attending the hearing
Well,
sa kanyang sulat, Comsec?
Yes. And I read, this is the letter of explanation of Mayor Goo. On 21 June 2024, I received an invitation to a public hearing dated 20 June 2024 from this honorable committee, inviting my presence as a resource person to the aforesaid public hearing scheduled on 26 June 2024 at 10 o'clock in the morning. Regrettably, I would like to most respectfully inform this honorable committee that I cannot attend and participate in the said hearing because I personally believe that I am not fit to appear as one of the resource person to the said inquiry. Truth be told, my exposure to prolonged stress and high level of anxiety owing to the concerning and malicious accusation thrown against me have adversely affected and caused serious impact on my physical and mental health. With all due
The mayor
respect,
believes she is not fit to be a resource person, but the committee obviously believes she is fit to be a resource person. Kaya natin inimbita siya ulit. Please proceed, Comsec.
with all due respect, as you may already know, I am placed under preventive suspension for 6 months by the Office of the Ombudsman, while the administrative charges filed against me are pending. Worse, our motion for reconsideration with motion to lift preventive suspension dated 10 June 2024 was denied, and in an order dated 18 June 2024. Second, several letters of authority were served to me and to my other legitimate businesses as the Bureau of Internal Revenue commenced their assessment. Third, the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission has openly filed a criminal complaint against me, charging me with a non-bailable offense of qualified human trafficking. More importantly, I have been exposed to public ridicule, humiliation, and hatred for several months now, tarnishing my public image, character, and reputation. Unfortunately, I have already been prejudged guilty by the public despite the absence of any finding by the court of law and proper tribunals. In view of the foregoing, please accept my most sincere apologies for my absence and for any inconvenience this may have caused the committee. I would like to emphasize that I have no ill will or slightest intent to disrespect, disregard, or disobey this honorable committee. From Ms. Alice Goo.
Thank you, Comsec. Unfortunately, the non-appearance of Mayor Alice Goo is a disregard of the invitation of the committee. At kahit may ongoing processes sa Office of the Ombudsman, sa BIR, sa PAOK, hindi yan dahilan na hindi siya magpakita rito. So at the proper time, I will consider ordering the issuance of a subpoena to Mayor Alice Goo. What about the other persons invited? Comsec, Goo, Jian, Zhong, Sheila Goo, Wesley Goo, and Lin Wenye.
There's no reply from them except that reply of the lawyer that he's not representing the other member of the family.
Which is a non-reply of the
Yes.
lawyer. So
Then
the same, the chair will consider ordering the issuance of subpoenas as well to the other persons invited.
Yes, we
Yes, Comsec, before you proceed,
May I-
Sen. Sherwin.
May I inquire if Ms. Nancy Gamo was also invited?
Your Honor, we
Comsec.
invited also Ms. Nancy Gamo, and we did not receive a reply. But during her interview, she told the interviewer that she will attend the hearing of the committee.
Madam Chair, she is central to this hearing, considering that she is on record the accountant or the person in charge of filing documents in behalf of the Go family in the different Go related companies. And then her name also appeared in different POGO companies. So she's very central to this investigation. And at the proper time, Madam Chair, I'll join you in your motion to subpoena these personalities.
May hulanong salita na ang ibig sabihin dito ay ang pagkakaisa. Bunyog Party List. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na. Halika na, Bunyog Party List ka na.
Sa susunod, ang atinang suportahan, Bunyog Party List, nagtataguyod ng katotohanan, lumalaban para sa bayan.